With the help of a heat gun, we apply 90 Celsius degrees during 4 minutes. We are going to use a suction cup to open a hole. We introduce a metal opening tool. Use a ultra-thin plastic card to soften the adhesive. We release the screws of the middle frame. For that, we use a professional Phillips screwdriver. We eject the SIM tray and the micro SD tray. Very carefully, we are going to remove the middle frame. In the description, I leave you the links of the tools and spare parts that we use. If you liked the video, don't forget the like. Thank you. We remove the battery. We remove the screw. Now we remove the screen connector. We disconnect the coaxial antenna. Now we remove the flex. With the help of the spudger, we remove the sub-motherboard. We disconnect the main camera of the device. We have finished the disassembly process. Now we return with the assembly process. We have finished the assembly process.